Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and RAM management test comparison between the POCO X8 Pro versus the Realme X1 Max device. These are tests which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates between these both phones. So the Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 860 chipset from the POCO X3 Pro device. So as you can see friends, right now I'm trying to run the latest Realme UI 3.0 with the January security patch update in my device. You can clearly see here. And let's see which phone has got what type of speed test while opening these 5 applications and 5 games. As you can clearly see, these are the 5 games which I did include. And during this time, I'll try to use the high performance mode. Yes, friends, high performance mode I'll try to use in the Realme X1 Max device. So this exact request which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asked me to make this kind of video using high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max device. And both phones are connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. As you can exactly see here, same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. And let's close all the apps from the background as a RAM management. And extended RAM capabilities I did enable in the Realme X1 Max. As you can clearly see, even in the POCO X3 Pro as well, there is extended RAM capabilities. So 3 GB I think. Let me to show you exactly the settings. So we should be able to see it. Yep, memory extension is on. Now all the apps are completely clear. And let's try to do the basic reboot between these both phones. Right now both phones are restarting, and in case if you want me to compare any other speed test comparison with other smartphones, do let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'm more happy to do the comparison. And right now with the 8 GB by 128 GB variant versus 8 GB and 128 GB variant, both phones. So these like Realme UI versus Miui. So Realme UI 3.0 versus Miui 12.5. So this is a kind of fight going on. So which UI is really very good in the RAM management? Not with the speed test. Speed test, I'm not that concerned much, but with the RAM management, yes. So because in the speed test, we might be able to see maybe 3 seconds difference or 5 seconds difference. It's not much in the everyday day-to-day task, right? So the only thing you need to concern about the RAM management. Which phone has got what type of RAM management? So let's make sure that both phones are connected to same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Yes, two phones, same, exactly same 2.4 GHz. And let's enable the high performance mode in this device in the battery, and here we go. So high performance mode is turned on in the Realme X1 Max device, and all the apps are completely cleared. So let's get started with the first application, which is a Chrome. Let's see with the Chrome, let's go to the home page and let's start with the Apple website in terms of the loading speed. So which one actually loads fast? Let's keep them in the background. Next is a touch sampling rate application. I'll draw some lines and keep them in the background. All these lines. Next is Amazon. So try to observe the loading speed. How quick both phones are able to like load the phones. Is a Flipkart, and let's keep them in the background, this device. So do let me know in the comment section below friends, which phones are you interested in the next upcoming releases? Which device are you interested in much? So definitely I do have plans to buy one of the device, but I'm not sure like which phone to buy exactly in the upcoming release. That's the reason. So make sure to comment below which phones are you looking after. So right now you can definitely look at the speeds of the POCO X3 Pro device. 30 Mbps, not bad. So upload speeds, we got 52.5 upload speeds, and once this Realme X1 Max finish, the next step is to move to the games. So games is another really very tricky one in terms of the games. Which phone actually opens fast in the games? That's a really most important thing. And right now it is Asphalt. Let's see friends, which one can actually open this Asphalt game fast between these both phones. So Realme X1 Max and the POCO X3 Pro device, we will be able to see exactly the difference. Both phones are logging. It takes some time to open Asphalt 9 game usually. So Dimensity 1200 and Snapdragon 860. Realme X1 Max is pretty fast. I'm trying to use high performance mode. That might be the reason why it's kind of really very fast. As you can see, high performance mode is enabled. Next is a Battlegrounds mobile game. Let's see in the Battlegrounds mobile game what happens between these two phones, which phone. Like one more quick note, after the Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme X and Max, the the opening speed of the Battlegrounds got completely decreased. Yes, like not decreased, I mean increased, sorry. So from 20 seconds it went up to kind of close to 30 seconds as well sometimes. So that's something you should know about the speeds. So it's a Candy Crush game. So both phones you can see. Next is strike balls, and is the final game, which is a temple run. After this we'll try to look at the exactly RAM management, what's happening, what's going on, and finally we go out here. And now please always remember this one of the main important thing. Every time when you watch any speed test on the RAM management, so you need to observe that they are actually opening from the beginning or they are actually opening from the backwards, because two are completely different. If you try to open from the beginning, that's completely different. If you try to open from backwards, that's completely different. Yes, trust me friends, if I open from the beginning, there are chances that one of the phone may not be able to hold this many. So that's the reason sometimes I do go from the backward as well. In this video, let's go backwards. Yes, the Realme X and Max will not survive. Yeah, this phone will not survive if I try to go from the front side. If you want, you can check my other videos. So let's say in this video, let's go from the back side, which phone can actually survive in this manner. Okay, that's a proof which I'm going to show you. All the apps and games are completely open. I did not close them between these two phones. Exactly, everything is pretty open, right? Now let's go back. Let's start from the backwards. So yep, and is a Candy Crush and Battlegrounds mobile game. Yes, so till here no problem. Asphalt 9 game is also there. So 5 games, no issues. Both phones did keep. That's good. Next is the speed test. Yes, speed test also both phones were able to keep exactly. Yes, Flipkart also is there. Amazon also is there. Not bad. Touch sampling rate is not there. As you can clearly see, it's not in the background RAM management, but POCO X3 was able to keep in the background RAM management. So Realme X and Max did survive till this Amazon application. Even the Chrome browser also, I think it will try to reload, I guess. If I try to open, let's open. Yes, it's reloading between these both phones. Yes, so both phones did reload this Apple website. Both phones, not one phone, both phones. So POCO X3 Pro has got only one advantage with the touch sampling rate. So now what I'm going to do, now I'll try to start again from the back side. Let's see which phone can actually keep this temple run in the background RAM management. Yes. So I'm trying to do the random kind of testing. Both phones did close. Candy Crush is there. This is a random test which I'll try to do usually. Both phones did close, even the Battlegrounds mobile game as well. Again, before it was open, right? And Asphalt 9 game, it closed in the POCO X8 Pro device, but it's there in the Realme X and Max. Wow. That's really bonus points for the Realme X and Max by keeping this Asphalt 9 game. That's pretty good, not bad. Speed test also got reloaded in this device. You can see friends, I'm trying to do the again testing. So overall, definitely friends, the Realme X and Max was really very good, not bad regarding the RAM management, nothing much huge problematic. Maybe with the stable update, the phone might be able to get improved with the RAM management. That's not bad. Even the POCO X8 Pro has got similar kind of RAM management. That's it friends, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Do comment below what are your thoughts. Until then, stay tuned and bye.